Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video, my English professional course. My name is Oksy Rimayana. You can call me Oksy. I am from the major in fashion and design, the faculty tourism and hospitality, Padang State University. Okay, in this video, I want to tell you about fashion design. Fashion is something we can often tell when we want to improve our lifestyle. Clothing has the ability to make us feel special, confident, unique, and enchant our personality traits. Many of do not take the time of the thing are buying clothes but our personality. Fashion basically has the power to improve our lifestyle. Confident in the accomplishment of the fashionable to make lifestyle decisions that are more innovative. Fashion has to be power to connect our brand, join the community together, and make all of us will be happy and more comfortable about ourselves. And we will also understand how to express ourselves. Fashion design is the art of applying design, aesthetic, clothing construction, and natural beauty to clothes and accessories. It is influenced by culture and different trends and has varied over time and place. Fashion designer attempt to design clothes which they functional as the well aesthetically pleasing. They must consider who is likely to wear the garment and the situation in which it will be worn. Okay, thank you for attention in this video. See you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.